In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds in Excel. To start, open your Excel worksheet and decide where you want the converted values to appear. This conversion uses a simple structure where each part of the coordinate goes into its own column. You will label those columns first, so it is easy to read your results as you work. Type decimal degrees into cell A1. This tells Excel and also reminds you that the input value goes here. Next, in cell B1, type degrees. Then in cell C1, type minutes. Finally, in cell D1, type seconds. Take a moment to ensure the headings are spelled correctly and appear in the right cells, because clarity here makes the rest of the sheet much easier to follow. Now you are ready to enter the coordinate you want to convert. Type your target coordinate number 40.7128 directly into cell A2. This decimal degree value is the number you will transform into a degrees, minutes, and seconds format, which is common in mapping and location work. After you enter the number, Excel will begin the conversion using formulas. The first part you want is the whole number degrees, so you will isolate the integer portion of the decimal value. Click on cell B2 and type =INT A2. The int function returns the integer portion by removing the decimal part. This means it will keep the whole degrees and discard the fraction for now. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to run the calculation. You should now see the degrees value appear in cell B2. This result is the foundation for the rest of the conversion, because minutes and seconds come from what remains after removing the degrees. Next, you will move to calculate the minutes. Click on cell C2 and type =INT A2B2 *60. Before you press Enter, notice what the expression is doing. First, a 2b2 subtracts the whole degrees from the original decimal degrees, leaving only the fractional part. Then multiplying by 60 converts that fractional portion into minutes. Using int ensures you capture only the whole minutes, not the remaining fractional minutes. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to complete the row segment. At this point, the minutes value should appear in cell C2. With degrees and minutes established, the sheet is ready to compute the seconds from whatever minute fraction is left. Now calculate the seconds value, which represents the leftover part of the minutes after you have extracted whole minutes. Click on cell D2 and type =round A2B2 *60 C2. This formula works in a careful sequence. Again, A2B2 isolates the fractional degrees. Multiplying by 60 turns that into minutes. Then subtracting C2 removes the whole minutes you already calculated, leaving only the fractional minutes. Multiplying by 60 converts that fractional minute portion into seconds. Finally, the round function rounds the seconds to 2 decimal places, which is usually precise enough for most coordinate display needs. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to complete your dynamic conversion matrix. Your row now contains the original decimal degrees in column A, along with the converted degrees in column B, minutes in column C, and seconds in column D, all calculated automatically from the input. If you decide to change the decimal degrees value in cell A2 later, these formulas will update automatically, which is one of the best reasons to use this approach in Excel. That makes your worksheet flexible and reliable, especially when you are converting multiple coordinates. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.